Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we're going to head to Long Island, New York, and we're going to go into Long Beach and fly from the Mongolia Pier in search of Petros Kramidas. Petros is a missing person from the Long Beach area. On this day, there was a temporary flight restriction east of us due to the Jones Beach Air Show. It was a little breezy today, but we know our drones could handle it. Rob Camarda will also be searching with me today. I'll be flying my Mavic 3 thermal, and this drone may aid in the search today. The week before, I had spotted these seagulls making a lot of noise on the beach. Before I headed over to the islands, I wanted to check again at the dock area. And this is what it looks like through the thermal camera. Rob headed for the railroad bridge to check that area and check under these residential docks that were on Reynolds Channel. That many of the areas that we searched or researched numerous times, because sometimes a person can actually come to the surface and float, and that person wasn't there on a prior search. So we wanted to check these docks very thoroughly. I saw something off in the distance, so I zoomed in. But it was a bird. Checked this house on a prior search, but I wanted to recheck it today. I had spotted this black and orange thing right here in the rocks, and I knew I could walk down to it, but it turns out it's a tarp of some sort that was caught up on the rocks. Rob yelled out to me that the birds were pretty bad down there by the bridge. After I checked the islands, I wanted to head towards the railroad bridge area too. As I flew over to the bridge, Rob ended up saying his drone was knocked out of the sky by a bird. Here's the screen recording when the bird strike occurred. And you can clearly show the bird coming in and then it hits it 2 more times. I'll slow the video down, but take a look. And at this point, Rob's trying to get his drone back over to land on the other side of the Reynolds Channel. And then the Seagull hit Rob's drone for a third time and it took it out. But now the question is, will it land in the water or on the shoreline? I felt so bad when Rob said his drone was down. Rob used the Find My Drone feature on the DJI Fly app, and it brought him right to the drone. And it was on the land. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our newly released videos. I came back immediately. What would you do if you were in this situation? Please let me know in the comments.
I think he's got it. What do you think? You got it? You got the drone? He's got the drone, guys. He's got the drone. Wow, this is unbelievable. Let's see where he found it. This is like amazing. Is it in the water or on the land?
I'm never flying with Ray again. I fly with him, my drones get lost.
How bad is it damaged?
Oh, it's bad. I got DJI camera for
Oh my God, folks, look
it's
at
pretty
this.
bad. It's pretty bad.
I've never seen a drone bad. Is damaged like that. So you saw the Seagull hit the drone.
The bird hit it from behind, but I moved. There were birds near me, and I said, let me go to a different spot. And when I moved to the other spot, the bird followed me.
I remember you saying it. I said, you better get out of there.
Yeah,
Rob.
I did.
He tried to get out of there. Well, Rob,
I went from the best pilot to the worst pilot. Whenever I fly with Ray, I lose my drone.
Let's get a close-up.
Oh my Lord, look at that, folks. Look at that.
Even the lens is broken.
Well,
She
Rob,
came in hard.
you're doing a good deed today, you know, that's what we're here for.
And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to watch my weekly podcast on Thursday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern. And let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.